Quick presentation of the Pitwall. This is more or less a Ferrari looking Pitwall. This is a modular system, so you can connect as many as these as you like using some small clips, and they can just connect into that hole, and then you can reconnect the other part. The Pitwall itself here is detachable, and it can be removed and it can be exchanged for another design or another model. So McLaren, Ferrari, Mercedes and so on could have their own. So there's a nice hole down here that marks where it's placed, so it just slides right in there. And then we have the fence on the front here, and I'm going to make a version where this fence has some smaller grids where these lines are much finer, because I think that will look better on a scale 1 to 32 slot car track. But this being scaled down to 1 to 64, 1 to 30, 1 to 43 actually works pretty well. So I am going to make another version of this, and it's fairly simple. They can just be replaced by removing them like this. And the catch fence, the part up here with the wires, is also going to be made in a version that is much more elegant. But it has the same feature as the other one there. It's a bit difficult with one hand, but it can be removed very easily. And when you're satisfied with how it's looking, you can of course glue it all together. So this is the Pitwall section, and I have tested this. It is possible to print this both in scale 1 to 32 and in much smaller scales, so everything works. I am currently working a bit on making more designs for the Pitwall here itself. It also comes with a variant where you can have these round stools instead of these. So yeah, I'm going to make a bit of accessories for this, a fire extinguisher and some computer screens and so on to be placed up here. And then of course I am going to add some crew that's going to sit here and assist the cars during a race.